Real World English.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Dad, I slept fine.
What time did you wake up?
Around 7 a.m.
Did you make your bed?
Not yet, I'll do it now.
What do you want for breakfast?
Can I have pancakes?
Do you want milk or juice?
I'll take juice, please.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did.
Are you ready for school?
Almost, just packing my bag.
Where's your homework?
It's in my folder.
Did you feed the cat?
Not yet, I'll feed her now.
Do you want me to drop you off at school?
Yes, please.
How's Mom doing today?
She's cooking breakfast.
Who's your best friend?
Emma is my best friend.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like helping Mom?
Yes, I like helping in the kitchen.
Who do you love the most?
I love you and Mom the same.
Do you want to go shopping this weekend?
Yes, that sounds fun.
What do you want for dinner tonight?
Maybe spaghetti?
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did.
Can you set the table?
Sure, Dad.
Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Yes, let's watch a funny one.